Hey everybody, I'm going to tell you about the assembly of this vanity dresser that you see right here. Now, the one thing I noticed when I opened this up were there were no strange odors, which I absolutely love. To me, that signals that they didn't use any foreign products in this vanity that I don't want in my home. The next thing that I noticed was the amount of styrofoam that was broken and that got all over the place. That was a bit annoying. I did have to spend some extra time cleaning it up, which I don't like, but it was manageable. Now, the instructions have me start by putting together all of the drawers. Personally, that's my preferred method. I like to just get the drawers done and out of the way. So it was really nice mentally to just get that all taken care of and put to the side. Then I focused on putting together the shell of this vanity. Overall, this was a bit of a project to assemble. I did spend about 3.5 hours on this. So you are going to want to carve aside a bit of time in an afternoon or at an evening, or to do it over the course of a couple of days. So just be aware of that. However, it did seem to be made of high quality material, especially I figured that out as I was putting it together. I didn't notice any crackage or anything breaking like that. It did come with all of the necessary tools to put this together. However, I do recommend providing your own electric drill if you have one. That definitely made it go a lot quicker and a lot faster. The instructions were pretty simple to follow. I think I messed up at one time, and that's because I didn't pay attention to the instructions. But if you do actually pay attention and follow them, the instructions were pretty clear and easy to follow. Now, right here, you can see at the very end just how good this looks and how well it fits into any space. The beauty of it, the design of it, it is so clean and so modern and looks so good. This vanity is working really well, especially this light that you see right here. So honestly, if you're looking for a vanity dresser of your own, we definitely recommend this one from the brand.